Hey guys, just wanted to hop on here and show you what we've done to this 2020 PISTA Spider. Pretty cool color. It is electrico blue metallic. It's got Nero and Grigio Titanio stripes. So pretty cool spec, especially with the yellow calipers. And the interior is like full carbon, which I'm pretty sure every PISTA is like that, but it's pretty insane what the interior looks like. It's definitely, race inspired. But we did a paint protection film install on this one with STEK DYNOshield. So we just wanted to hop on here and show you final results, close-ups, what it looks like, show you what we're doing here. So this one received a custom or extended driver's package or track package. So full front end, the windshield surround up above, mirrors, full rocker panel coverage, including parts that go under the car, full rear quarter panel, full rear bumper, and then this rather unique sort of rear carbon diffuser is all fully protected. So we'll give you some close-ups here of edges and the work that we're doing. So as you can see, extremely clean edge work. They're wrapped as far as we can over that'll last and hold to get the most seamless and just sort of long-lasting, with no dirt collection and stuff like that. The badge was left on. We worked around that one. They're sometimes a little bit tricky to remove, and we've actually had them pull paint in the past underneath. So we chose to leave that one on and work around it. It's extremely tight around there. You really shouldn't see the film. The light here was removed, so there's no sort of film gap around there. In between the bumper and the fender, we are wrapping in between these two panels, but only on the fender side. So we're covering that leading edge of the fender, which, with a pattern or with a more, less seamless install, you can still get chips on that edge. So we're fully wrapping into that panel there. As you can see, seamless coverage. The bumper as well, we are wrapping between the headlights and the bumper to allow, very seamless coverage with no dirt collection over the years. And then all along there, you will not see the film edge at all. The sensors on the bumper here, some patterns have these with sort of a notch cutout and a seam to allow those to lay through. We've got these down with one seamless piece of film and no need for any relief cuts there. All carbon on the bumper is fully protected. It goes rather far under the car as well to give that carbon full, protection. Again, those pieces are very expensive to replace if you do get a lot of chips and damage in them. So very important pieces to protect, as well as the main painted portions. The hood, quite tricky with the rather concave and deep sort of recess area in the middle. This one does have a relief cut. There's sort of no way around it. So there's a relief cut that sort of comes up to about here and then sort of swoops back through to allow that film to lay in there. But it's an extremely clean cut with no jagged edges, stuff like that. So it looks very clean. Rockers are completely done through, and goes up about 5 inches under the car. It's pretty insane how far that carbon goes under there. And then you've got the rocker panels here fully wrapped through the back edge. And then also looking inside the car, the film actually tucks all the way through. So we have the film sort of tucking all the way up to this edge here, and then tucking under the carbon Ferrari interior plaque And it goes actually all the way up under there, so no issues if you were to get in the car and slightly nick that edge with your foot. There's no issues. And we also covered this carbon piece along here with a piece of film, just to make sure when this owner's getting in the car, you know, if he were to kick that, it's not going to damage that carbon fiber. Rear quarter panels were done in one piece with a bulk sheet of film, just to allow the cleanest coverage. So as you can see under this carbon here, you can sort of see that edge tucked under there. You know, as clean as we can get it. And then the film is, you know, brought up and over there into the Spider top, so you should never see that. Around the scoop is extremely clean and well, you know, trimmed tight to the edge for the most seamless appearance. And then going through here all the way through down, tucked into sort of that carbon area. And then the carbon inside there is also well protected with the film. The film on the rear quarters is also wrapped in between the two panels here, so you shouldn't see any of that film or that line, you know, PPF line gathering there on the edge, tucked behind those black plastic pieces, and then all the way back behind the light itself. So extremely clean coverage. Again, full rear bumper completed with the STEK DYNOshield. We removed these lights here, and that film is completely tucked behind there, so there's no sort of edge. So we'll pull the car up onto the lift and show you the coverage for the rear carbon under the car. So now we've got it up on the lift, we can show you comfortably the rear carbon. So all of this carbon under here is all protected, extending all the way down underneath the car. Each fin is completely protected. So this stuff, you know, with just 50 miles or so on the clock of this one, already had a lot of chips in it. So this area definitely needs protection, especially if you're going to go on the track. You might even want to have the person double layer it for the extreme protection, because those rear tires are kicking up some insane rocks. But as you can see, you know, similar to the rest of the car, it's as seamless as it can be. Again, back here, it's never going to be perfect. This is so intricate and the film is so thick that, you know, everything cannot be covered. There's going to be some gaps here and there, but it's as much coverage as we can possibly give without, you know, spending short of a week doing a custom piece on, you know, this whole rear diffuser here. This took us just about, you know, a whole day to complete and get it to where we were happy with it. So, but it is very well protected for this owner. So moving on, the windshield surround is, you know, wrapped again in the DYNOshield, and it's fully wrapped into the windshield gasket, so you can't see sort of that piece of film. Wrapped underneath, so there's no edge, you know, that is visible at all. And then the corner is wrapped over as much as possible. and then again wrapped into the gasket back here. And that is it for the 488 Pista Spider. Really cool car, super unique spec in the Electrico blue. I want to personally thank AAMI Motorsports and Detailers of Naples for trusting us with this project, sort of a collaboration between all three of us to get this thing protected. We're doing the paint protection film. Detailers of Naples is not going to take this and do whatever they have planned for it, paint correction, ceramic coatings, you know, all the 9 yards. So I wanted to take a second and personally thank them for trusting us with this sort of unique project and car. But as you can see, the project came out great. We're super happy with it. I'm going to overlay some clips now of sort of installation footage so you can see sort of a little bit into what goes into the install. But other than that, we appreciate you watching this video. If you enjoyed it, click the link down below to subscribe. We're going to have some cool projects coming in and out here soon, try to get some videos of. But we'll have our information also down below, as well as Detailers of Naples and AAMI Motorsports. Feel free to check us all out. If you have any projects like this in mind, or really anything, we work on pretty much anything. Anything you want protected, anything you enjoy, any car that you truly love and you want protected, give us a call. We'd love to help you out. But other than that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you again.